Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're going to be doing a charger test. We're going to see who charges the fastest. First, we had a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra on a regular 25 watt battery, and then you have the Note 10 on a regular 25 watt battery, and then you have the Note 9, which is going to cheat because I'm going to use a 45 watt battery. So we're going to see which one's going to charge up first. So in a few seconds, we're going to just check this stuff out and see how it goes. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget this phone is for a giveaway, so read the comments below. So let's check this out. Looks like the Note 10 already got 1%. They both were completely dead. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while and I'll be back about 10 minutes. So relax, listen to some light bar music, kick your chair back, eat some popcorn. I'll see you in a few minutes. Wow, so it looks like the S20 Ultra is charging really fast. So it was like, wow. And then you got the Note 10 Plus coming in second place. And then my precious Note 9 coming in third place with the help of the 45 watt charger. That's crazy. Like, I'm really impressed about this phone, how fast it charges up. So, and I'm kind of curious how this phone will do with the 45 watt charger. So I'm pretty sure it might be like 15% faster, but we'll do that test next too. You'll see about that. But it's pretty amazing. So we're going to just let it sit for a little bit longer and just wait, because this thing could be done within an hour. You know, it doesn't say because the phone is off. Also, guys, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it, make a comment. Because remember, the Samsung S20 Ultra is on a giveaway. So, like I said before in other videos, once I receive 5,000 subscribers, I will do a drawing, and one of you lucky viewers will have this beautiful S20 Ultra. I really, I honestly thought, like when the Note 10 Plus came out, I thought the charge capability was really fast on this one. I was like, wow, this is fast. But kind of like looking at us, man, it's actually really slow. Now, granted, with a 45 watt charging, if I'm not mistaken, this was like maybe 10 or 13% faster. So if I had a 45 watt charging on this phone right here, it might have been maybe at 47%. And this right here, we got to test this out next. And, but I wonder if I had like a regular 25 watt battery on this, I wonder would it be and like maybe 27% range or something. Not sure, but I'm definitely considering doing a test with that as well. Well, like I said, guys, just keep watching. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. 58%. I'm not even sure how long it's been on, to be honest with you. I think it's been about maybe like 25, 30 minutes now, if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out a little bit though. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how many horses I got outside. That was my remix version of it. So I'm gonna let you guys continue to chill out. I want you to think about that time warp though. Like with that hyper speed, going speeds. That's how I feel about this S20. Just moving so fast. You gotta move up, right? I'm back again. This bad boy's at 80%. What? 50? Okay, 53 or 50. If you just now catching us, this is the Note 9 on a 45 watt brick. You got the Note 10 Plus Pro with the 25 watt brick. And then you have the S20 Ultra on 25 watt brick. So this is impressive. I must say that. And it kind of makes you think about other phones, because I mean this does have a bigger battery, you know, than other two. So and it's charging a lot, but it has more to charge up. And the battery's pretty big on this one, and this has a smaller battery too, which is, you know, normal. And you know, and I said it's normal because, you know, with every upgrade, you know, these phone manufacturers gotta do something bigger. And like with this having such a high frame resolution, you know, it needs a bigger battery anyway. So the frames and stuff in this phone, smooth in this phone. So it's kind of hard, like when you use a Note 10 Pro or Plus, you know, and then you compare these two, how the transition is smooth. You know, it's like this, you know, you be like, wow, this is just nice and gravy. And then you got the Note 9, you know, who's behind the trail, you know, with these upgrades and stuff. So, but like I said, like, you can definitely take advantage of the developer's option with these phones, because it will just make the transition even smoother. You know, this is almost done, so I'm gonna probably turn this phone on a little bit. And obviously, looks like this phone is going to come in second place. You know, and this phone obviously third place. Wow. Yeah, it's almost the deciding factor who's gonna win this race. Sit here and think about Samsung and Son. I don't know why that show popped my head. You know, I like this to a lot of nostalgia theme songs sometimes, or old TV shows. So you like the 80s babies like me, you know, you probably get the same 80s vibes and 90s vibes and early 2000 vibes and stuff like that. I know I get them a lot. And it's amazing how the evolution of technology is, because, you know, like, remember, we were using flip phones, like little flip phones, you know, had little tiny screens, and then when you try to text, you gotta hit the same key, just to get one letter. And then you go to the other key, and that's if you don't have no stupid word prediction on there where it's trying to make out what they trying to spell, and you got delete. No, I'm trying to do this. So stuff like that was getting annoying. So I could honestly say back in the day when texting became something kind of relevant and stuff like that, I just wasn't a big fan of it. Because it just took too long. I was like, just call me and make a phone call. But now it's so much easier to text now. Because like I said, these phones are based on computers now. It holds all your personal information, like your debit card information, credit card information. You got apps that give you a credit report. You got Microsoft Word document. You got at least with some of the phones, you got the security lock. You can hide hidden files. I mean, you got these phones. Some of these phones holds more storage than most computers and stuff. You know what I mean? So it's like it's amazing what you can do with this mobile device because people carry around their mobile phones. I mean, you can do edit videos. There's not a lot of people who use an iPhone. I'm not a big iPhone person. I'm pro Samsung. But I know a lot of people use iPhones, edited video content through iCloud, iMovie. You got like different editing software you use for the Android devices as well too. So it just, I wonder though, will laptops be obsolete, become unnecessary one day in the future, or will they always be relevant? Because these laptops are getting smaller. They used to have like one of those on CD drive. Now you probably will never find a computer with a CD drive, at least a laptop. You may, but I haven't seen it in a while. And like these smartphones, they're getting way more advanced. I can remember having a cell phone, for example, right? It was my flip phone, and I remember back in 2008, I think, whenever President Barack Obama was running, he came to my school, and I took some pictures with him, and my phone fell in mud 2 days later. It was raining and stuff, and like the phone was gone. But now these phones today, like all three of these phones, for example, you go submerge these phones in water, and with that being said, it's like nothing happens to them because they have water resistance on every single one. So it's just really amazing, like how advanced technology is. To the point you got nearly bezel-less displays, and with these type of frames, and you got the cameras and stuff. Like you got this little camera here, like 2 cameras, and then you turn on this phone, you got 3 cameras, and then you turn around, you got 5 cameras, you got 5, put one in front, you got these in front. It's just amazing where technology is at these days. So, just like one day, I believe like laptops and stuff is gonna be unnecessary because it's gonna be like, well, my phone will do everything else. Looks like this phone's about done. Yep, it's done. Just go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Alright, so so, like I said, this was a charge test, and obviously this phone right here won the contest, and obviously the Note 10 Plus or Pro is number 2, and the Note 9 will be coming in 3rd place, which makes perfect sense. So thank you guys for checking out this video. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions and information or whatever the case may be, just leave it in the comments below. And don't forget about this giveaway. Remember, once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I will be giving this phone away. Remember that. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.